Cybersecurity made easy. Today we're tackling a beast that chills everyone to the bone. Cybersecurity? Don't worry, we're not here to scare you. We're here to empower you. Imagine your life online. Banking, shopping, embarrassing childhood photos. All connected, all vulnerable. It sounds like a hacker's buffet, right? But fear not. We're here to equip you with the knowledge to fight back. The digital jungle. Let's face it, the bad guys are like digital chameleons, constantly evolving. Phishing emails so convincing they could fool your grandma into revealing her social security number. Check. Malware hiding in seemingly harmless downloads like a Trojan horse filled with viruses. Double check. Don't even get me started. But hey, knowledge is power. By understanding these threats, we can build our digital fortresses. From data damsel to cyber warrior, your essential toolkit. Time to ditch the damsel in distress act and become cybersecurity heroes. Here's your arsenal. The password power up. Ditch the password 23 and create unique and not necessarily complex combinations that would make even a hacker with a PhD cry. Think of them as your digital shields. The two-factor Tango. Add an extra layer of security with two-factor authentication. Like a double lock on your digital door. The update frenzy. Keep your software and apps updated to seal those pesky security holes. An outdated software is like a Swiss cheese castle for hackers, full of holes. Updates patch those vulnerabilities, making your digital fortress unbreachable. The CLICKY-CAUTION. Don't be lured by suspicious links and attachments like a moth to a flame. Remember, if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. The Wi-Fi warrior. Public Wi-Fi and free coffee. Sounds tempting, but remember, free often comes with a hidden cost. Public Wi-Fi is a hacker's playground. Treat it like a crowded beach. Don't leave your valuables unattended. Digital shield. Antivirus and anti-malware software are your digital bodyguards, keeping the bad guys at bay. They are worth investing every penny. Knowledge is power. Stay informed about the latest threats and best practices. Think of it as your cyber encyclopedia. The future of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is not a one-time fix. It's an ongoing battle, like a never-ending game of digitally capturing the flag. Artificial intelligence, blockchain, and even quantum computing are changing the game. But so are ethical considerations and user privacy. We have to stay vigilant and demand responsible development from the tech giants. Cybersecurity is everyone's responsibility. By taking action, protecting ourselves and holding others accountable, we can create a safer, more secure digital jungle. Share this video, spread the word, and let's build a digital fortress together. Stay informed and fight back.